What is up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm talking about the August daily Goodie box. I know it has been a long time since I have been on screen to show my daily Goodie box goodies, but I figured why not? So let's go ahead and dig in. So the first thing is this Wholeberry Dry Delicious Passion Fruit Snack Rounds. These look pretty good. I can't wait to try them out. They are all natural, vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. The next one is this Rowdy Bar Chocolate Coconut Cashew. It is soy-free, dairy-free, and all natural. It's also gluten-free and has a low glycemic index. The next one is tried and true. It's Coco Looks Hydration 100% pure coconut water. This one's a good one. I really love it. Every time I get one, I'm like thrilled. I love coconut related items, but it's gluten-free, milk-free, vegan-friendly, not from concentrate, and no added sugar, and non-GMO. Jada Spices chicken salt. It's vegan, reduced sodium, and Australian tradition. All-purpose seasoning. Certified vegan, non-GMO. It has sea salt, spices, turmeric, onion powder, garlic powder, calcium stearate, prevents caking. Pretty cool. They're from Miami, Florida. It's no MSGs, preservatives, gluten, soy, or peanuts. So that's what that looks like. These are NEATsheets. There's 20 in here, and they are disposable sheets. Attractive protection for shirt and lap. Easy to use adhesive tabs. Liquid absorbent front. Coffee in the car, in your briefcase, back bag, purse, baby bag, lunch at your desk, if you care for someone, picnics, carpool and the kids, dinners in front of the TV, buffets, ribs, brisket, wings, trains, planes, boats, lobster. Anytime life is messy, so that's actually pretty neat. And from the looks of it, there are some really cute designs. There's another design on the back. So basically this is just good for putting in your lap when you are pretty much just eating whatever. So these are going to come in handy for me with messy children. From B.Shaye. And it's red nail polish. The shade is Happiness. I've never heard of this brand before, but that's what it looks like. The next one is Rejuva Minerals Tinted Moisturizer Ultra Sheer with natural minerals infused with firming peptides, and it's paraben free. No animal byproducts, non-GMO, no nano ingredients, no gluten, titanium dioxide, and mica free, infused with certified organic botanicals. No artificial perfumes or dyes, no harsh irritants. Whoops. That's what it looks like. My face is pretty dark, which I mean it is medium, so I mean clearly I'm pale. I mean it blends out pretty well. And looks like the very last one is Nature Nut Shampoo for dry and damaged hair. It's SLS free and paraben free. And the bottle just looks like that. Let's see if I can get it off without taking the top off, so you can see better. You can find this on Amazon. I know for sure because I did look this up. You can find this on Amazon, and I already did smell it, and it smells pretty good. Sorry, I'm so close to the camera. And then lastly in the bottom are just, I think it's just some additional information. After reading additional information about this nail polish, I really like that this nail polish is formulated without things like formaldehyde, acetone, animal products, parabens, things of that nature. A lot of nail polishes on the market today do not look for ways to improve their products. I'm just trying to think of the words to say. Like, they don't really care if add formaldehyde in their product or an animal byproduct in their product. They don't, it just doesn't matter to them. So for a company to have, say, broken the code and kind of branched out there and created a better product for you, so much better for you. And that is all of my August daily goodie box. I will have the links for everything that I showed today listed down in the description box. If you are interested in checking those out, I definitely suggest it. And if you're interested in a daily goodie box, then I suggest going to their website at dailygoodiebox.com and also following them on Facebook. Creating a profile on their website is going to be your starter, and then going onto their Facebook page and being active on their post is going to be your beginner into your luck at getting a daily goodie box. If you have any further questions about anything listed here, or you want to know more about daily goodie box, or just anything in general that you may be interested in about this video, do not hesitate to leave me a comment down below, and I will talk to you on my next one. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great night.